after Riya Chakrabarti has been granted bail in the drugs-related charges that were brought against her by the Narcotics Control Bureau. That is the big breaking news right now. The Bombay High Court, remember, had been hearing the bail pleas of Riya Chakrabarti and her brother Souvik Chakrabarti earlier, and today the ruling has come and they have granted bail to her. Saurabh joining us on the phone line. Saurabh joining us for more on this story. Saurabh, give us the details.
Souvik Chakrabarti and another person, Abdul Basit Parihar, has been rejected. But the big news is that the Bombay High Court has granted bail to actor Riya Chakrabarti. The court says that, the passport should be deposited, and, it's also fixed a surety amount. We've been given to understand that's about rupees 1 lakh. But the news is that the NCB has also opposed, which has opposed her bail, application, has asked the court to put a stay on its own order so that it can approach a higher court. No decision yet on whether the court stays its own order, but the court has granted bail to Riya Chakrabarti. Those arguments are still on. The ASG is arguing on those, that bit, that whether the court will put a stay on its own order or not. Which means that if the court doesn't put a stay on its own order, Riya Chakrabarti will be out of jail. It could be as early as this afternoon or this evening. If the court puts a stay on the order, then of course the NCB has the chance to appeal in a higher court. But at this point, bail has been granted. The Justice Kotwal, who was, on the bench, pronounced the order shortly after 11 o'clock. This application was right there, up there on the list. And, Riya Chakrabarti has been granted bail by the Bombay High Court along with Samuel Miranda and Dipesh Sawant. But her brother, Souvik Chakrabarti, has been denied bail, and so has Abdul Basit Parihar, who have also been booked under several sections of the NDPS Act. So the big news is that Riya Chakrabarti has got bail. Her brother Souvik Chakrabarti hasn't got bail. Two others, Dipesh Sawant and Samuel Miranda, have got bail. And another alleged drug peddler who is also booked, which is Abdul Basit Parihar, hasn't got bail. So that's the big news coming out of the Bombay High Court. We'll still have to wait and see what happens on the other arguments. But Riya Chakrabarti gets bail from the Bombay High Court. That's the breaking news on NDTV at this point.
Right, Saurabh, so, the charges against Riya and her brother and were similar. It was, they were alleged that they were a part of some sort of drug syndicate. So Riya Chakrabarti, they're being granted bail, but her brother has not been.
Yes, and the fact is that you have to see the cases as individual cases and the charges against each one. Now, the fact is, Souvik Chakrabarti has been in touch with drug peddlers, directly in touch. The same can't be said about Riya Chakrabarti. So, in the eyes of the law, the severity of the crime, alleged crime in this case, I beg your pardon, is different. So, bail is considered on all these grounds. So, there are differences in the cases of individual accused. And that's perhaps why that seems to be the understanding at this point as to why the court has rejected bail for Souvik Chakrabarti but has granted bail to Riya Chakrabarti.